Hi there. Now let me teach you how to stream on a Twitch platform using your PC. So first things first, I want you to download a third-party streaming device. The one I'm using right now is what you call OBS or OBS. It should be this one right here. And as you can see, it's currently downloaded on my end. So however, in your end, I want you to search this one, OBS Studio, from any browser that you have, and then just click on the first result and it will direct you on this platform. Now choose Windows, macOS, or Linux, whatever you need, and then just download and install it from there. And you should have this app right here. The one I'm using right now should look like this one. And currently I'm recording for this tutorial for you guys. Anyway, this should also be used for your streaming. So what to do from here, I want you to add your window capture or display capture from here. Just click on the plus sign, and then you can use audio input capture, audio output capture, display capture, and so on and so forth. But for now, we're gonna use display capture for your end right here. It should be this one. And then once you're here, you're gonna have a scene here or sources that you have that will display anything that's on your computer. Next should be audio capture. Just plus sign and then click on audio capture again. It will capture any audio coming in from your microphone. From there, I want you to click on settings, and then from here look for audio here, and then you can need to look for mic auxiliary audio. Mine is on default right now. However, I want you to choose anything or any app or any hardware or software that you have connected right now, because this part right here, it says that it will be the one getting the audio or sounds from your game itself. So for example, this is for your display, right? The one over here is the one getting or capturing the sounds itself. And then once from there, I want you to look for settings again. Once you already set your audio capture, your video capture, and the settings over here, I want you to look for stream. From here, you have a few choices, and as of now, you can see that mine is set for Facebook Live. I want you to look for Twitch, since this is a Twitch one that we're looking for. And then just connect your account there, and then you just need to click on apply, and then use the stream key. From there, you're automatically gonna connect to Twitch on your platform. And that's how you use a third-party app to stream on Twitch platform. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.